So we have this situation. We have to integrate sec square x upon sec x plus 10x power 9 by 2. As you know that we don't have any direct formula to handle this situation, so we will use substitution. In indefinite integration, majorly you will be using substitution, and you will understand the different styles of substituting something. Okay, so look at this situation. So if you'll observe here, you will find that this is the ugliest thing because it carries two things, and also it is having problem with powers as well. So what we will do, we will take sec x plus 10x as z. Now go with the differentiation both side. So dz by dx equals differentiation of sec x is sec x 10x. Now differentiation of 10x is sec square x. Okay, now look at this. We have sec x plus 10x. So what I'll do, I'll simplify this thing, means I'll take sec x common. 10x plus sec x. Okay, so this is dz by dx. Now can I write dz by sec x plus 10x equals sec x dx. Now we will manipulate here. First is sec x, second sec x will become sec x dx, and we will replace that thing by dz by sec x plus 10x. Okay, now look at this component. This component we have taken as z. So can I write z to the power 9 by 2? Okay, now this also can be written as z, correct now? So I will write z. Now we have to replace this sec x. Now try to understand, we have to manage this situation and we have to recreate the value of sec x. So you can expect this question in four terms, like sec x minus 10x, sec x plus 10x, cosec plus cot x, cosec minus cot x. So how we will handle this part, try to understand. You know that you have taken sec x plus 10x as z. Do you remember we have a formula that connects sec x and 10x? Sec square x minus 10 square x equals to 1. Now you can write this thing as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so sec x plus 10x is equal to 1 by sec x minus 10x. Okay, now you know that the value of sec x plus 10x is z. So can I say that sec x minus 10x is 1 by z? So we have two equation that says sec x plus 10x as z and sec x minus 10x as 1 by z, and you have to find out the value of sec x. Okay, so can I add both the equation to get 2 times sec x equals z square plus 1 by z. Okay, now we can send this 2 to that side, and we got our value of sec x. Now replace. So can I write z square plus 1 by 2z? I have replaced what? Sec x. Now we have z to the power 9 by 2, and z will become z square dz. Now take this thing common, 1 by 2. It's a constant now. So z square plus 1 upon z power 13 by 2. Okay. Now segregate both of them. So can I write 1 by 2 integration of z power 2 into z power minus 13 by 2 plus z power minus 13 by 2 dz? Now you can directly integrate. It requires little bit more simplification. So I will be writing z power, this is 4. So it will become what? 4 minus of 9. Minus of 9 by 2 plus of z power minus 13 by 2 dz. Now we will apply the integration concept. Okay. So this thing will become what? The first component will become z power minus 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 9 by 2 plus 1 plus z power minus 13 by 2 plus 1 minus 13 by 2 plus 1, and then integration constant. Let's write down the final result. So look at this part. So this part will become minus of 7 by 2. So can I write minus 2 by 7? And then we will be having z to the power 7 by 2. Correct? Similarly, we will do the same thing with the next component, minus of 2 by 11 z to the power 11 by 2, integration constant c. You can write down the final answer as, and I will remove this z as well. Okay. So it is minus of 1 by 7 times z was what? Sec x plus 10x. Sec x plus 10x power 7 by 2 minus 1 by 11. That 2 and this 2 will get neutralized. Okay. So we have sec x plus 10x power 11 by 2 plus integration constant, done. So this is our required result. Okay. I hope the idea is clear, and from now onwards, if you will have this situation which they can ask in terms of sec x minus 10x, sec x plus 10x, cosec minus cot, cosec plus cot, you can handle accordingly. Okay.